Are you ready?
I'm never ready, Brooke, but we're ready now, all right? Never ready, but we're ready now. Hello, everybody, and welcome to this week's AVARigs. My name is Wesley, not as always. I've been off doing a lot of other things right now. It's been crazy times, but let me just say, I do miss all of you. Do you miss me? Probably not. It's fine, because Matt is going to be filling the shoes for me from here on out. I'll make special appearances here and there if needed, but be sure to show him some love. He does a great job, and you know, he has the more technical know-how. I just sit here and, you know, look pretty. That's a lie. I cause shenanigans for like 30 minutes. Brooke wants to cry, and then it's time to go. You know, it's just what we do, and we have a video. She doesn't want to cry. She wants to strangle me, actually. But anyways, enough about that. Let's go ahead and talk about this pretty system to my left. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this mini form factor x570 build. It's going to be housed in a Corsair Crystal 280X case. As for the motherboard, we're going to have an ASRock x570M Pro 4. It's going to be a mini form factor motherboard, mini ITX, I'm sorry, motherboard, obviously, small case. Small motherboard. As for the CPU, we're going to have an AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. And I mean, AMD is just popping right now, you know, because you can actually get their processors. It's a great time. But for the most part, you can't really find their boards. But that's what we're here for. God, I can't talk, Brooke. This is so embarrassing. This is what we're here for, to help you find those boards. So if you need help, you know, give our sales team a call. Yeah, or send them an email. You can do both. I'll talk about that at the end of the video, though. Next, the graphics card. So it's going to be an EVGA RTX 2080 Super. We've talked about it a million times, all right? I think you know, and I know, it's a good card. So, next, sorry, Brooke, I'm horrible with this now. Now, for the memory in this system, we're going to have a 16 gigabyte kit of Kingston HyperX RGB memory. The PSU in this bad boy is going to be an EVGA 750GQ, and cooling the CPU on this bad boy is going to be a Corsair Hydro 115i. As for memory and storage, I'm sorry. So as for storage, there is going to be a Western Digital Blue M.2 500 gigabyte SSD, and then we're also going to have a Crucial MX. So as for storage, we're gonna have a Western Digital, time you have to do that, you just put, he's really hard to work with, Patrick. So as I was trying to film the outro and skedaddle out of here, Brooke informed me that I didn't talk to you guys about what this PC actually does. So just based on simplicity, this is 100% a gaming build. With your 3700X 8-core processor and you know your 2080 Super, this is definitely gonna be a gaming build. So with a build like this, you'll be able to run almost any title at 1080p Ultra, and you'll be able to run a lot of titles at 4K and achieve that 60 FPS as well. So this is a great build, 100% for gaming, and that's definitely what this customer had in mind while they were working with our sales team to put it together. So it's a pretty build. Like I said, I've always wanted a mini ITX build, and if I had to pick one, this would probably be it. It's got everything you need. It's gonna be able to do a lot for how small it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, that is going to do it for this week's AVARigs. Like I stated at the beginning of the video, Mr. Matt will be the face of AVARigs when things calm down here, you know, in terms of AVADirect and, you know, the pandemic and all that stuff. So you will see me a little bit more, but when life does eventually get back to normal, hopefully, he will be the face of AVARigs. However, that does not mean you will not see Joe, Gerard, or myself anymore. So we do have a lot of awesome things planned. We have a lot of awesome things in the works. However, due to the nature of the pandemic and the guidelines that a lot of states have to follow, we're not able to make those come to, or we're not able to make those, you know, that content come to life yet. But when we do, you will see a lot more of us, and we cannot wait to share, you know, what the next step in terms of our content creation is going to be. So as always, if this is a PC that, you know, you're interested in, you have two ways of getting one like this. So for one, you could go to www.avadirect.com, or you could reach out to our awesome sales team at sales@avadirect.com. But you know, if you didn't catch that, all the information is going to be down in the link below. So as always, thank you everyone for tuning in, and more than likely we'll see you next week. If not, Mr. Matt will be here to knock it out of the park. Thank you everybody, and stay safe. If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build a PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com.